The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro just leaked again, and this time the image is clear enough to actually tell us something. But here's the part that makes this interesting. While DJI is still in leak territory, Insta360 might beat them to market entirely. Let me explain what we are looking at and why the timing of all this matters more than the leak itself. Leaker Igor Bogdanov dropped a new image of what appears to be the Pocket 4 Pro camera head. And it finally answers the question people have been debating for weeks. The two lenses are stacked vertically, one on top of the other. Previous leaks hinted at this, but the images were blurry enough that people were not fully convinced. This new photo makes it clear. Now, why does vertical matter? On a gimbal system like DJI's Pocket lineup, vertical stacking keeps the weight centered along the stabilization axis. That means the motors work more efficiently, stabilization stays smoother, and the whole system stays balanced during movement. It is not just a design choice, it is an engineering decision that makes sense specifically for how the Pocket lineup works. The expectation based on everything leaked so far, a primary wide-angle lens with a 1-inch sensor, paired with a secondary telephoto at around 3 times optical zoom. Nothing officially confirmed yet, but that combination would make the Pocket 4 Pro one of the most capable handheld gimbals DJI has ever made. Here is where things get really interesting. Insta360 is rumored to be launching their Luna, a dual camera gimbal camera, potentially this month, and the Luna is going horizontal. 2 lenses side by side instead of stacked. 2 companies, same product concept, 2 completely different design approaches. Horizontal layout could allow wider optical spacing between sensors, which helps with zoom range and potentially depth data. Vertical layout integrates more naturally with DJI's gimbal structure and keeps stabilization cleaner. Neither approach is obviously better, they are just solving the same problem differently. But here is what matters for you as a buyer. The Insta360 Luna could launch before the Pocket 4 Pro even gets officially announced. Most reports point to the standard Pocket 4 launching first, with the Pro version potentially arriving mid-year. If that timeline holds, Luna hits the market first. DJI comes later with what will likely be better stabilization software and a stronger ecosystem, but Insta360 gets first mover advantage in a category that does not yet exist. That race is genuinely interesting to watch. I have covered the Pocket 4 story in detail in a previous video. Worth checking out if you want the full picture on what the standard model is bringing before the Pro arrives. So where does this leave us? The Pocket 4 Pro is real. The vertical dual camera layout is confirmed by this leak. The specs being rumored would make it a serious upgrade over anything in this category right now, but DJI is going to have competition at launch for the first time in this space, and that competition might arrive first, which makes the next few weeks genuinely exciting for anyone following compact cameras. The moment either of these officially launches, I will have the full breakdown up immediately. Subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss it. And drop in the comments, vertical or horizontal dual camera layout. Which approach makes more sense to you and why? I want to know what you think.